Hello everyone, myself Pubali Das Sarkar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The next topic to be discussed is stack. This is an example of linear data structure. Stack is a linear data structure that follows LIFO, means last in first out principle. The last element inserted is the first to be popped out. It means both insertion and deletion operations can happen in only one end, that is called top. The LIFO principle means that the last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed. New elements are always pushed on top. Removal or pop also happens only from the top end, and these ensure a strict order, that is last in first out. Real world example of LIFO is stack of plates. The last plate placed on the top is the first one you pick up. This is a real life example of stack, or example of stack is shuttlecock box. The last shuttlecock inserted in the first out taken out, the first one that is taken out, since both operations happen from the same end. The basic terminologies or functions of the stack operation are top and size. Top is the position of the most recently inserted element. Insertions, that is called push, and deletions, that is called pop, are always performed at the top end. Now the next terminology is size. Size refers to the current number of elements present in the stack. Now there are two types of stack. First one is fixed size stack and the second one is dynamic size stack. A fixed size stack has a predefined capacity. Once it becomes full, no more elements can be added, and this is called overflow. And if the stack is empty and we are trying to remove or delete an element, that condition is called underflow. Fixed size stack typically implemented using a static array. A very good example of this is declaring a stack of size 10 using an array. Now the second type is dynamic size stack. A dynamic size stack can grow and shrink automatically as needed. If the stack is full, its capacity expands to allow more elements. As elements are removed, memory usage can shrink as well. Dynamic size stack examples can be stack implemented through linked list. This is a very good example, that is linked list of dynamic size stack. Now there are these some operations of stack that are push, pop, top is empty, and size. Push operation is used to insert an element into the stack. See, this is the this is an example of stack. This picture, in this the first element was inserted into the first part, is that is C, and when we are removing C, you'll see the item C is removed. So the first element, that is push, is C, and the first element to be removed is C, and these push and pop operations both are done through one side, that is called top. This is called top position. This is called top position. When the C is removed, the top position will be go to the position B. And push is operation is used to insert an element into the stack. Pop is to remove. Top is returning the top element of the stack. Is empty, this function is it returns true if the stack is empty, else the is empty function will be false, and size returns the size of the stack. Thank you.